Today I stand before you to express what India truly means to me. It's not just a piece of land on the map. It's a country of diverse culture, languages and traditions that have contributed together to create a vibrant nation. India to me is a precious land with a rich history, a land where unforgettable freedom fighters, visionaries and ordinary citizens have sacrificed their blood, sweat and tears. Our great nation's journey to freedom was not an easy one. From Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent struggle to the sacrifice of Bhagat Singh, Subhas Chandra Bose and many others, the spirit still echoes in the heart of each Indian. Our engineers, doctors, scientists, artists, teachers and entrepreneurs have consistently worked hard and achieved a remarkable feats. As a nation, we have shown the world that unity in diversity is not just a slogan, it's a way of life. My love for India is deeply rooted in its secularism. My love is always, it lays for secularism. The ability to celebrate Diwali, Eid, Christmas and countless other festivals together, to respect each other's faith, is what makes us strong.